There we go. Look at this fun mess. So this is the old chassis harness, which I had to keep for turn signals, headlights, all that kind of stuff. I have it hooked back up into the harness on the inside of the car. Now we're going to try to see if it has power. Because I did make some modifications. I deleted some stuff. I took some stuff out that I didn't think I needed. So I just want to go through and make sure that the thing actually still works. Oh, that's a good sign. Oh, that's a really good sign. Oh my God. Are the headlight bulbs on? Oh, that's right. They don't have any bulbs in them. Okay. All right, let's plug one of these in, see if light comes out. Turn signals don't work. Are we ready? Shit. So I got my Bentley manual. I'm gonna go try to read that and see maybe if I'm missing a relay in the fuse block. Because I can't remember when I detached the fuse block if I took a relay out, and I can't find it. So I very well could have just took a relay out, and that's why it's making that noise. I don't know. Well, I forgot to ground the harness. I feel like that's important. And I know there's a cluster of grounds somewhere that I have taped up. So ground here, negative terminal grounded. There's one more ground lead. I can't find it. I had it like 10 minutes ago. There it is. All right, let's see. The issue wasn't that we didn't have power. We have power, but we have no headlights, no turn signals, and when I push the hazard lights, it makes this noise. Okay, now we don't have any power. I'm at work right now on lunch, and I realized as I was editing this video, I was a bad YouTuber. It was my grounds that were screwed up. I just had to run an extra ground that was not grounded, and then that fixed all of my issues. So now the car has power and everything works correctly. All right, baby, check it. We got power, right? Bam, we got power. Okay. Bam, we got turn signals. Bam, our hazards work. Yeah, let's freaking go, baby. I'm so excited. Power is back and ready. Watch this. We got a headlight. Look at that. We don't have brights though, but we got a headlight. Oh man, I'm so pumped. We still got a long way to go. I got to clean up all of this crap. And I got to make a home for the terminals. They're just kind of sitting there right now. We got to find actual size nuts for all the grounds. They're just kind of slapped on there. I broke off one of my turn signal bulbs and it's stuck in there. So gonna have to figure that out. But I'm so excited. We have power. That's sweet. I didn't think I'd be able to get this far. Wiring is my crutch. I do not understand any of it. To like look at wiring diagrams, I feel like I'm looking at hieroglyphics. Like it doesn't make any sense to me. But the fact that I could actually figure this out and chop up the old chassis harness and actually get the headlights and the turn signals and the hazards to work, I'm stoked. Because that's all the old chassis harness really did. It also has fan stuff, but we'll get there when we get the radiator and fans hooked up and see if we can actually get those to work. But now I have power to the car, so now I can find a switched power to be able to wire in the swap harness and then get gauges wired up and all that fun stuff. And then we're one step closer to firing this bad boy up. I'm so stoked. All right, so now that I figured out that I'm single-handedly the most intelligent car mechanic of all time, that I was able to figure out this wiring situation, we gotta clean it up and tape it so it looks pretty. because I want it to not look like this. Clean it up, make it look nice, and then we can move on to our next project, which will probably be... I don't know. I'm not really sure yet. We'll find out. Alright, so comparing to what it was before, I'd say this looks a lot better. I'm still going to have to figure out where I want them to lay for the rest of their lives. The mess is gone. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to route them. But that's going to do it for today's video. That project was a lot of work. And I think I'm really hungry because I'm starting to shake. So I think I need to go get food, and the Steelers game's today. And it's 30 degrees in my shed. But it's done for now, so that's good. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.